In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on BCH future while examining Bitcoin cash cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin Cash. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Bitcoin Cash value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that BCH is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will BCH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Bitcoin Cash value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin Cash introduction. In mid-2017, a gathering of engineers needing to build Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on 1 August 2017. Subsequently, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital currency split in two. Bitcoin Cash was made out of pressure among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange expenses and progressively different suppositions on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash likewise focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as his vision for the first Bitcoin. Seeing distributed exchanges as the guiding principle suggestion of the organization and the element that ought to be improved versus other contending factors like security. It contrasts from different renditions in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to expand the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin Cash will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry Goliaths like PayPal and Visa can at present process. Bitcoin Cash price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Crypto Vault expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August 16.41% dollar, 88.85, 2022, September 30.88% dollar, 73.47. 2022, October 26.51% dollar, 78.11. 2022, November 15.04% dollar, 90.30. 2022, December 14.84% dollar, 90.52. 2023, Jan 9.78% dollar, 95.90. 2023, February 2.81% dollar, 103.31. 2023 MAR plus 1.55% $107.94. 2023 April plus 9.59% $116.48. 2023 May plus 9.90% $116.82. 2023 June plus 21.55% $129.19. 2023 July plus 23.60% $131.37. BCH, Price Prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees BCH coming to $210.45 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $201.00, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. Bitcoin Cash Price Prediction 2030-2040. What Bitcoin Cash will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Bitcoin Cash coming to $526.13 in 2030. What Bitcoin Cash will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Bitcoin Cash coming to $1,052.26 in 2040. Will Bitcoin Cash surpass Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin Cash won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Bitcoin Cash at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Bitcoin Cash could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2022. Is Bitcoin Cash worth purchasing? We are backers of decently unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Bitcoin Cash merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin Cash a wise speculation? Bitcoin Cash is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down, in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin Cash be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $66.96. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $526.13 or significantly higher. For what reason will Bitcoin Cash succeed and become more expensive? Bitcoin Cash has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Bitcoin Cash ascending to $526.13 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin Cash fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce